Today we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock GM-2100LXB-1A9ER, a premium take on the iconic octagonal G-Shock. Inside the box, you'll find the official warranty card. As always, we provide a full 3-year international warranty. Besides its premium design, this G-Shock is packed with practical features. It offers world time, a stopwatch, multiple alarms, and an LED backlight, all protected by G-Shock's legendary shock-resistant construction. Let's remove the protective stickers and reveal the watch in all its detail. The combination of the forged metal bezel with gold accents gives this model a bold yet premium appearance, while staying true to the classic GM-2100 design. If you're looking for a G-Shock with a more refined finish, this is definitely one to consider. Would you add this G-Shock to your collection? Let me know in the comments below.